Okay, right, so we're going to move on to 6.4, all right? Write down the equation of G, all right? So I hope you all know by now, the inverse of an exponential graph is actually a logarithm. So it's actually a log graph of that equation or of that function. So in other words, g at x will be equals to log x base 3 over 2, guys. Okay. So this is actually an inverse of an exponential graph. Okay. So should I show you? Should I not? Okay. So let me show you guys ukuthi kungani i-inverse exponential graph kuyi-log. Okay. Let me just show you guys for those at home who actually need help in this aspect. Okay. Siyakhumbula ukuthi sathi ke to determine i-inverse of a function, what you do is la ubona khona u-x ufaka u-y, la ubona khona u-y ufaka u-x, bese emva lapho wenza u-y is-subject of the formula. So in other words, to determine inverse yala kuzoba no x, because if at x umele u-y, so la sibona khona u-y sifaka u-x. X is equals to 3 over 2 exponent y. Okay. And then we're going to have to try and make y way to a subject of the formula. However, the only way to do it is to change x way to ukuthi abe ne base ka 3 over 2, which is not possible in this case. So this is why to try and make y a subject of the formula, we have to introduce our logs. Okay? So if we introduce our logs, so faku log nga left, faku log nga right. So soba no log x elingana nobani no log of 3 over 2 exponent y, guys. Okay. Now, kukhona ke irule yama logs, guys, ethi uma ngabe uno log mhlambe a exponent x, okay? Uyakwazi uthatha lo x lo uzombeka ngala eceleni bese lento ilingana nobani no x log a. So this is why la, guys, siyakhona ukuthi sibhale lento in the form of log x is equals to y log 3 over 2, guys. Okay. Then emva we can easily solve for y weight ngokuthi divide ngobani ngo log 3 over 2 ngala divide ngobani ngo log 3 over 2 nangala. So log 3 over 2 and log 3 over 2 will go. Sisale again no log x over log 3 over 2. There's another law, guys, of logs ethi uma ngabe uno log a dividedwa ulog b, uyakhona lento kuyibhala in a form of log a base b. So in other words, lo b lo uvela umthatha umenze ibase lapha nombeke nje lapha ezansi kwa b. You can do that. So this is why in this case you can therefore take lo 3 over 2 umenze ibase lapha. So y weight agcina selingana nobani no log x base 3 over 2, guys. So this is why ke inverse ye function e log, and then, guys, this is how it's actually done. Okay, so now we're going to move on to 6.5. all right, the last question. Okay, so to write down the values of x for which g at x is less than 3. In other words, ma ukuthi y wethu less than 3 uba ubani x lapho. Okay, so uphi lo y u3 nange la y u3 nange lapha yana. Okay, so for le graph le ukuthi ibe ngaphansi kwalo ya3 lo yana fanele lo x abe njani. So sanothisa ukuthi as long as u-x wethu emncane kunalo x of 3 and 3 over 8, le graph yethu injani ila ngaphansi kwani kwalo y lo yanobani o3. So how do we write that? So we can therefore say as long as our x is less than 3 and 3 over 8, now the statement injani is actually true. Okay, you can also calculate lo x lo. Should I show you? Should I not? Should I show you? Should I not? Let me show you. I know it's abaningi, guys, le ekhaya. So write down the values of x for which g at x is less than 3. So sanothisa ukuthi ke g at x is equal to log 3 over 2. I mean x base 3 over 2. So you can actually make use of this and solve for x to find lo x abambuzayo for this statement to be true, because u-grx uyalingana naleya. So uma ubona leya nto la fanele ubone u-grx, shothi therefore ngasho ukuthi ke log x base 3 over 2 is less than 3. So buso solve x ke ma ukuthi this statement is true. Now you can get rid of this log here by taking this base uyenze ukuthi ithwale lo ya 3 loyana bese eba exponent. So in other words, ngokuthatha nje loyana yothwala lephana ulog angaqathaka bese sala no x elingana nobani no 3 over 2 all raised to the power of 3. Esithe uyafana nobani no 27 over 80. Yakhumbula ukuthi lo siyofana noba sithe ufana nalento lena because mase sishintsha yeza la. So therefore uyabona ukuthi okay, we can easily right, so we can easily change vele. Let me just correct la equals to less kahle kahle. So our x is less than 27 over 8. Okay, so you can easily see now ukuthi our x is less than 3 and 3 over 8. So you can answer this question ngokubuka egraphini. Noma if that is hard, just try and uthathe equation yakho bese uyenze ibe less than whatever they told you it's less than, and therefore solve for x. This will also give you the one and the same answer. Okay, thank you guys. We had a great time. I do challenge you as well to do this question at home, restart, try it again up until you can easily comprehend and understand our concept esikhulume ngawo in this question. But until we meet again in our next question, goodbye for now.